Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Um, so this is just a quick little update. Um, I've got the engine glued in to the 50 Chevy pickup. This is the radiator I'm going with. It didn't come out of the 50 Chevy kit. This one's out of a race car kit. The Charles Carpenter 55 Chevy. I went with this one because this engine just took up too much space, and the radiator that comes with the kit won't fit there now. But this one will, and I'll just put it out here. Let me get my pointer. It'll go right here. One of the things that I'm going to do, and you might be able to see this, is I had to make radiator hoses, and what I did is I've made it out of solder. That way I can kind of bend them where I need them to go. The other thing that, and I'll show you here in a little bit, I got some more painting done, and I'm kind of at a stopping point because I got to let some paint dry, and but I'll show you guys. So I got the dash painted, I got the steering column, the steering wheel. I made a drive shaft out of aluminum tubing, and I don't know if this is going to show up on here, if it's going to focus. Yeah, probably not. But anyway, that's aluminum tubing. I painted it black. I've got the roll cage painted, and I've got some solder painted because I've decided that instead of doing the Street Outlaw exhaust where it's coming out of the fender, I'm just gonna make an exhaust that runs straight out the back and use some other aluminum tubing to make some exhaust tips. So yeah, that's where it's at. I have to work tomorrow. I don't think I got to work terribly long, but I do have to work in the morning. So if I get done early, I'll get some more bench time tomorrow. Real quick, I just caught a video from Extremist Models, and apparently he was saying Terry's in the hospital and not doing well. At this point, guys, I think we're just praying that the Lord shows him mercy and just takes him peacefully, and he doesn't have to suffer anymore. In my last video, I attached the GoFundMe link in my last video, so if you guys can donate something, you can use the link from my previous video. But anyway, that's where we're at tonight. It's Monday night. Hope you guys had a good day today. Godspeed to Senior Terry over at Hobby Barn, and we'll see you all on the next one. Bye-bye.